Welcome to Brave Quiz. Are you ready to test your knowledge about the K-pop Demon Hunters movie? True or false? Let's find out how much you really know. Get ready, lock in your answers. Let's go. Demon Hunters is an animated musical film. True or false? That's true. The production is handled by Pixar. True or false? It's false for sure. The film has no musical numbers. True or false? It's false for sure. The movie was created by a female-led team. True or false? That's true.
The movie is set in a futuristic Seoul. False or true?
That's true.
The movie will premiere on Netflix. False or true?
It's false for sure.
Demon hunting takes place during concerts. False or true?
That's true.
Characters use light sticks as weapons. False or true?
That's true.
The movie was originally announced in 2021. False or true?
That's true.
One of the characters is a DJ named Sorry. False or true?
That's true.
Sony aims to introduce K-pop culture to new audiences. False or true?
That's true.
The movie was delayed due to COVID-19. False or true?
That's true.
BTS members voice the main characters. False or true?
It's false for sure.
The demons in the movie represent internal struggles. False or true?
That's true.
The film was co-written by Chris Applehans. False or true?
That's true.
It has already been released in South Korea. False or true?
It's false for sure.
The film follows a K-pop group who hunt demons at night. False or true?
That's true.
The voice cast includes only American actors. False or true?
It's false for sure.
The movie is a sequel to Spider-Man: Into the Spider-Verse. False or true?
It's false for sure.
Huntrix's leader has psychic powers. False or true?
That's true.
The main K-pop group in the film is called Huntrix. False or true?
That's true.
The film was inspired by anime and K-pop culture. False or true?
That's true.
The art direction includes neon and pastel tones. False or true?
That's true.
Seja boys are allies of Huntrix. False or true?
That's true.
The movie is a collaboration with a South Korean animation studio. False or true?
That's true.
It took 2 years to develop the story. False or true?
That's true.
The project is part of Sony's new animation strategy. False or true?
That's true.
The animation team worked on Mitchell's vs. the Machines. False or true?
That's true.
The director of the movie is Maggie Kang. False or true?
That's true.
There is no English dub planned. False or true?
It's false for sure.
The group Saja Boys fights with swords. False or true?
That's true.
Each song in the movie advances the plot. False or true?
That's true.
The movie includes real K-pop songs from Blackpink. False or true?
It's false for sure.
The lead character uses a microphone as a weapon. False or true?
That's true.
K-pop Demon Hunters is based on a true story. False or true?
It's false for sure.
The final battle takes place in Tokyo. False or true?
It's false for sure.
The genre of the film includes action, comedy, and fantasy. False or true?
That's true.
The movie was previewed at the 2023 Cannes Film Festival. False or true?
It's false for sure.
The voice acting includes Korean language parts. False or true?
That's true.
The group has a robotic assistant. False or true?
That's true.
The characters live double lives as pop stars and demon slayers. False or true?
That's true.
Maggie Kang is Korean American. False or true?
That's true.
The soundtrack is produced by YG Entertainment. False or true?
It's false for sure.
There is a dance-off in the middle of a demon battle. False or true?
That's true.
The visual style is influenced by K-pop fashion. False or true?
That's true.
The group Soda Pop is the villain team. False or true?
It's false for sure.
The characters transform before demon battles. False or true?
That's true.
The movie promotes teamwork and identity. False or true?
That's true.
The movie is live action. False or true?
It's false for sure.
The main character's stage name is Hana. False or true?
Thanks for playing with Brave Quiz. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a quiz. See you next time. Stay brave and stay curious.